Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace this cartridge here in this faucet. This is a tap faucet in the bathroom. This is the old one. It's a Moen. The model is let me see, here is the model. Is 1 2 2 2 12 22. Okay, so it was leaking, that's why I'm going to replace it. I wish I recorded a video how to remove everything, but I didn't. But I'm gonna show you how to install it. Okay, a new one. I removed the faucet because that way it's not in my way, and so I just leave it like that. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your faucet. This video is for education purpose only. Thank you. Okay. So to do this project, you're gonna use plier. I have this set of Allen keys. Okay. A screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Okay. And the new one here is coming with this tool, and this liquid is like to seal, and here is the new one. It's coming with this. It doesn't come with instructions, but this is a code. Scan QR code for instructions. Okay, so, and also it's coming with this little part. They say it's for when you remove it. With this part, it's so easy to take it off, because I didn't have this part, so I damaged the old one. But anyway, it wasn't working anymore, so you see, I damaged this part, this plastic here. But it's coming with this one, so the guy told me to save this one, and so the next time I replace it, I use this tool to pull it out. Okay. Okay. Also, it's coming with this liquid to apply here, so that way it would seal. Okay. So just a minute. Let me apply it. Okay. So. Here, and also I think helps to put it back, to install it, so the liquid lubricates, and it's not gonna be so hard to pull it to install it in. Okay. Okay, so apply everything. Make sure you have a rag with you, so clean your. Okay, so also when you remove the faucet, when you remove the old one, make sure you save this little part, because we're gonna use it. Okay, so now let's install it. So this one goes right here. You see this where the faucet is installed. So always make sure the HC goes on the top right there, and then minus, like a minus sign here, it goes like this side, hot on the top. Okay, so you just go like that and push it. Make sure this is straight. I think it's right there. Okay. Okay, use this little part here, push it. Right there. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, so make sure you push it, because this little plastic have to touch the cooper, the pipe cooper over here. So go like a right and left. You see right now? Okay, now it's touching over there. Okay, so now let's insert this little part. Okay, so now let's see, make sure go underneath here, and then make sure don't drop it, because if you drop it then you might lose it somewhere. Okay, you see right there, and then we need to push it down. Right there. Oh, one more thing that I forgot. Before you start, make sure you lock the water, okay? Like in this case, it's so easy because it's just next to it. So I lock the water, look at. I lock the water so I don't have a problem water coming out here. So that's the first thing you do, it lock the water. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. First thing you do, lock the water, hot and cold, and then you can work here, okay? So now let's try it and see if there is no leaking. I don't see any leaking so far, so I think it's good. Okay, so now let's lock it again. Okay. Now let's install this plate. Make sure the signs is right. Don't over tie it, just because you can bend the plate, the cover, and go a little bit each screw. Okay, that's enough. Then we install this little part. It helps to regulate the temperature of the water. So make sure you put it this way, like that. Like that. Then you install the handle here, go like that, and you can turn it to C, and then you need the screw with the Allen key. Okay, so go here. Can you see it? So you need this set to remove it and to put it back. Like I said, don't over tie it too much because you can break something. And then right there. Now we're gonna install the faucet. Okay, let's install the faucet. This one is called let me clean it a little bit. Okay, this one is not the original Moen. We replaced it because I remember the original got damaged, and so we replaced it with this one. It's called Denko, and this one just go like straight. So you just go like that. Make sure it's straight, and that's it. And let's try now, and let's see. I hope it's not leaking. So now I'm gonna open the water on the left side here, and let's see. That's okay, this is supposed to be hot. Okay, so let's dry here so that way we can see if it's leaking or not. Okay, as you see, I think it's not leaking anymore, but always make sure it's straight, like pointing here, right there. See, it's not leaking, it's working fine now. So let me try the hot water. Yeah, the hot water, cold water. Yep. Let's see if the shower works. Okay, so let's try the shower. Yeah, it's working fine. Let's try the hot water. That's the hot water. Working fine. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, give me a like, check my other videos, ask me questions. I try to fix anything I can so I can help people. Thank you so much. Have a great day.